Let's revise the beginning sound. Identify each picture and write the letter for the beginning sound of its name. Now see the first picture. This is cat. Cat. When we say cat, we are getting the k sound in the beginning. So which letter makes k sound? Letter C. C-A-T. Cat. Cat. This is hen. When we say hen, we are getting the h sound in the beginning. So which letter makes h sound? Letter H. H-E-N. Hen. Hen. This is dog. Dog. When we say dog, we are getting the d sound in the beginning. So which letter makes d sound? Letter D. D-O-G. Dog. Dog. This is monkey. Monkey. When we say monkey, we are getting the m sound in the beginning. So which letter makes m sound? Letter M. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Monkey. This is cow. Cow. When we say cow, we are getting the k sound in the beginning. So which letter makes k sound? Letter C. C-O-W. Cow. Cow. This is octopus. Octopus. When we say octopus, we are getting the o sound in the beginning. So which letter makes o sound? Letter O. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Octopus. This is ant. Ant. When we say ant, we are getting the a sound in the beginning. So which letter makes a sound? Letter A. A-N-T. Ant. Ant. This is snake. Snake. When we say snake, we are getting the sound in the beginning. So which letter makes sound? Letter S. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Snake. This is goat. Goat. When we say goat, we are getting the g sound in the beginning. G. So which letter makes g sound? Letter G. G-O-A-T. Goat. Goat. This is wolf. Wolf. When we say wolf, we are getting the v sound in the beginning. So which letter makes v sound? Letter W. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Wolf. This is yak. Yak. When we say yak, we are getting the y sound in the beginning. So which letter makes y sound? Letter Y. Y-A-K. Yak. Yak. See the last picture. This is tiger. Tiger. When we say tiger, we are getting the t sound in the beginning. So which letter makes t sound? Letter T. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Tiger. So students, I hope you understood the concept of beginning sound.